In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send, reply all, and forward email in Outlook. We'll be working directly from your Outlook inbox, and I'll walk you through the main actions you'll use when managing email conversations. These tools are essential because they help you respond appropriately depending on who needs to receive your message. First, go to your Outlook inbox. This is the main area where your incoming messages appear, and it's where you'll begin for replying all, forwarding, and also creating a new email. Once you're in the inbox, click on any email to open it. Opening the message lets you view the full content and gives you access to the email action buttons. Now look toward the top right area of the open email. You'll see a left pointing arrow. Click that first left arrow to reply to the email. Reply is best when you only want to respond directly to the original sender. It keeps the conversation simple and avoids sending your response to people who may not need it. Next to that, you'll see another arrow that looks similar, but it appears more like a double left pointing arrow. Click that option to reply all. This sends your response to the sender and to everyone else who was included on the original email. This is useful for group conversations, team updates, or any message where everyone needs to stay informed. Just be careful with reply all, since it can quickly notify a larger group than intended. You'll also notice a blue arrow pointing to the right. Click that to forward the email. Forwarding is helpful when you want to send the message to someone who was not originally included in the conversation. For example, you might forward a message for approval, awareness, or support. When you do this, Outlook keeps the original message content attached in the new email draft. To send a brand new email instead of responding to an existing one, click on the Home tab. This takes you to the main toolbar where Outlook keeps general mail actions. Then in the top left area, click New. On some versions or ribbon layouts, this option may appear a little differently, but it will still be the button used to start composing a fresh email. Once you're familiar with these four actions, reply all, forward, and new email, you'll be able to handle most everyday email tasks in Outlook with confidence. Take a moment to look at the icons and get comfortable with where they are, because recognizing them quickly can save you time whenever you're working through your inbox.